Hello dears, I am going to teach you how to make the letter D today. So slip stitch, make 43 chains. Six, 7, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Thirty-one, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42 and 43. Now into the fourth chain, 1, 2, 3, and the fourth chain, make a double crochet. So these three first chains count as a double crochet. So this is the second double crochet. Now we make 11 double crochets. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, including the 3 chain, we have 12 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now we make 5 double crochets together. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So now we have total of 6 loops onto our needle, and we yarn over and pull through all the 6 double crochets, 5 together. Next we make 3 double crochets into the next 3 chains. You can see it turning. Next we make 2 double crochets together, 1 2 1 2 double crochets together, then 2 double crochets together, three double crochets together, and 4 double crochets together. Next we make 3 double crochets into the next 3 chains, 2 and then 3. Again, next we will make 4 double crochets together like we did previously. 1 2 3 double crochets together, and the 4th double crochet together. Next we have 3 chains left, and now we make 3 double crochets into all the 3 double into the chains, into the last 3 chains, and then we are done making the alphabet D. Now here we will look for the 3rd stitch. We got to join it, so we look for the 3rd stitch here. 1 2 3, and you get into the 3rd stitch. Slip stitch into the 1st stitch, Again slip stitch into the second stitch, and slip stitch into the third stitch. Cut the yarn. Neaten your work. And then you're done with the D for today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, comment, like,